Ugreen versus Synology, budget versus premium NAS. So which one is better? So the Ugreen DXP480T Plus is a high-performance all-flash NVMe NAS built to deliver fast storage and connectivity for creators, professionals, and tech enthusiasts. It uses the 4M.2 NVMe SSD slots and comes with a powerful hardware, including the 12th Gen Intel Core CPU with an 8 GB DDR5 RAM and a 10 GB networking. So for the pros, it is very fast thanks to all the SSD. It also has a powerful intercore CPU. It offers Thunderbolt 4 ports for direct high-speed internet and connectivity, and it is a compact, well-built hardware with modern connectivity. However, the cons is it has a higher cost since the NVE and SSDs are more expensive than the traditional SSDs, and the NAS software ecosystem is newer and less mature than Synology. So Synology, on the other hand, or the Synology Station DS723 Plus is a established premium NAS server from one of the most vendors in the NAS market. It is lining up with a pair solid hardware with a mature and widely regarded software ecosystem, known for the advanced storage features, extensive apps, and polished user experience. So for the pros, it is the industry-leading software. The Synology has a powerful backup and a cloud sync, and offers excellent reliability and long-term update support. It also has a broad ecosystem of apps and it is easy to set up with other polished user interface. The cons though, there are some storage performance which is limited and it is typically slower. The network performance is lower on base models as well. So overall, the Ugreen NASync Plus is best for users who prioritize raw performance, and the Synology Disk Station is best for users who want a reliable, polished, feature-rich NAS experience. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification for more tutorial videos.